Welcome to your first step towards a healthier you. I'm your guide for today, and together, we're about to embark on an empowering journey. We'll be tackling a simple 10-minute workout that's perfect for beginners. So if you've been looking for a sign to kickstart your fitness journey, consider this it. This workout is designed to be inclusive, catering to all fitness levels and ages. You'll see a variety of simple, yet effective moves that anyone can do. We've curated these exercises to ensure that no matter where you are on your fitness journey, there's something here for you. The best part? No gym, no equipment, no problem. This workout is all about using what you have, your body. It's proof that you don't need fancy machines or expensive memberships to start getting fit. So, are you ready to get started? Let's kick off this 10-minute home workout for beginners. We'll start with some gentle warm-up exercises to prepare your body for the workout. First, let's loosen up the neck and shoulders with some simple rolls. Imagine drawing circles with your nose and shoulders and really feel the tension melt away. Now, let's get those arms moving with some arm circles. Start with small circles, then gradually make them bigger, like you're stirring a giant pot of soup. And finally, we'll do some leg swings. Stand tall and swing one leg forward and backward like a pendulum. Switch to the other leg after a few swings. These exercises increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles, which will make the rest of the workout safer and more effective. Remember, warming up is crucial to make your workout safer and more effective. So never skip this step, no matter how eager you are to dive into the workout. Here's what we'll be doing today. 5 exercises, 45 seconds each, with a 15-second rest in between. We'll be diving into squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and glute bridges. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry. Take it at your own pace. There's no rush. The key is to focus on your form, making sure each movement is done correctly. This will help maximize your workout and reduce the risk of injury. Remember, it's all about form over speed. Our first exercise is the squat. Here's how you do it. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, chest up, and eyes looking forward. Slowly lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your weight on your heels. Your thighs should be parallel to the floor, knees over toes, and chest lifted. Now push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Let's do this together, aiming for 45 seconds of effort with a 15-second rest afterward. For those new or with knee issues, you can modify by not going as low or using a chair for support. Remember, it's all about maintaining good form and not how low you can go. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your legs and core, and it's a functional movement you use every day. Great job on those squats. Next up, we have push-ups. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Push-ups are an excellent way to strengthen your upper body and core. Start in a high plank position, hands planted firmly on the ground, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet together and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Now bend your elbows and lower your body towards the floor. Make sure to keep your elbows close to your body. Your chest should almost touch the floor. Then push your body back up to the starting position. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time to maintain good form. If you find traditional push-ups challenging, no worries at all. You can modify this by dropping your knees to the ground. The important thing is that you're moving and you're improving. Well done. Those were some solid push-ups. Moving on to lunges. Here's the correct way to do it. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right knee is at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should hover just off the floor. Ensure your front knee is directly above your ankle and not pushed out too far. Now push back up to your starting position, engaging your core and maintaining an upright posture throughout. That's 1 rep. If lunges are new to you or you're finding them challenging, don't worry. You can modify this exercise by reducing the depth of your lunge or holding onto a wall for balance. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Now let's perform these lunges together, alternating legs. Keep your movements controlled, your core engaged, and your focus on maintaining balance and alignment. Excellent work with those lunges. Next, we're going to hold a plank. Here's how. Start by positioning yourself face down on the floor, and then prop yourself up onto your forearms, making sure they're directly beneath your shoulders. Extend your legs straight out behind you, resting on your toes. It's important to keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. This is your plank position. Now, if you're just starting out or find this position too challenging, don't worry. There's a modification you can do. Just lower your knees to the floor, but continue to keep your body straight from your head to your knees. All right, let's get into our plank. Remember to breathe as you hold this position and keep your core muscles engaged. Don't let that belly sag. We're going to hold this for 45 seconds. Fantastic effort on that plank. Our final exercise for today is the glute bridge. This move is a surefire way to target those glutes and hamstrings, strengthening your lower body and core. Let's dive right in. Start by lying on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Your feet should be hip-width apart. Place your arms at your sides, palms down. Now push through your heels and lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Remember to squeeze those glutes at the top of the movement. Hold this position for a few seconds, then slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Control is key here. Don't rush the movement. Rather, focus on feeling the burn in your glutes and hamstrings. This exercise is not about how high you can lift your hips, but rather about engaging and activating the right muscles. Great job finishing those glute bridges. Now let's cool down with some stretches. We'll begin with the hamstring stretch. Extend one leg out in front of you while seated and gently reach for your toes. Don't worry if you can't touch them. Just reach as far as feels comfortable for you. This stretch is excellent for loosening up those hamstrings we worked during the squats and lunges. Next, let's move on to a chest opener. Stand tall, interlace your fingers behind your back, and gently lift your hands upwards. This helps to stretch out the chest muscles we used during those push-ups. Finally, let's transition into child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms out in front of you. This is a fantastic full body stretch and a great way to end our workout. Remember, cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps to reduce muscle soreness, enhance flexibility, and prepare your body for the next workout. Congratulations on completing the workout today. You've taken a significant step towards a healthier you, and that's worth celebrating. Fitness isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress, and you've done just that. So what's next? Consistency is key in any wellness journey. This 10-minute routine is designed to be simple yet effective, making it a great addition to your weekly schedule. Whether you squeeze it in before breakfast, during your lunch break, or after dinner, it's all about making the time and committing to it. Remember, every workout counts, no matter how short or long it may be. And the beauty of this routine is that it's adaptable. As you become more comfortable with the exercises, feel free to add more repetitions or sets, or even combine it with other workouts for a more intense session. Don't forget, this is your journey. Listen to your body, take rest days when needed, and always prioritize form over speed. It's not a race, but a lifelong commitment to your health and wellness. There's a wealth of beginner-friendly workouts on this channel, so feel free to explore and find what suits you best. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Remember, every small step counts towards your health and fitness journey. See you in the next workout. For more beginner-friendly workouts, check out these videos. They're designed to keep you moving, motivated, and making progress, all from the comfort of your own home. And if you want to stay connected, check out our social media links below. We're always sharing tips, tricks, and motivation to keep you on track. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any future workouts. Remember, every small step counts towards your health and fitness journey. See you in the next workout.